Hello students, now today we have the next questions in this class. Today we are going to discuss the mirror formula, but this will be the second case. First case already we have discussed. Okay, so we have convex or spherical mirrors. Okay, very good. You know that the concave and convex mirrors. Concave which having reflecting portion towards the center of curvature, and convex the reflecting portion will away from the center of curvature. Okay, very good. So you know that just we have here the mirrors, which mirror is this convex. Okay, you see that convex spherical mirrors, and its reflecting portion will away from the center. You know this is the centers, and from the centers you can say that the object lies outside, not the inside. So I have an object that is AB which is placed on the principal axis, and the ray of light incident at point E. After that, from E to EQ, the ray of light bonds according to laws of reflections. But whenever you will join these centers, center of curvatures and point E, longer these ones, so it will bisect. And according to laws of reflection, you know that angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection here will also. Okay, another ray of light will incident at point K, and it will bonds in the same paths. Okay, another third one you can see that directly the ray of light is incident at the pole, and after that it passes PQ dash. Okay, see that this will backward appears at a particular point, all these points, so that forms the image A dash B dash. Okay, so A dash B dash is image, okay, which is we can see that between F and P. Okay, but same process, you know that it is not in the perfect right angle triangle. So I have drawn here EN. Here is E and perpendicular. Now if you will take this one, then same process you will take here the triangle. Which one you will take? A dash, B dash, F, and another E and F. Can we write here? But before it you can write here, since E and perpendiculars, which one you will write? PC. Very good. Okay, from triangles, which one? E and F, and triangles A dash B dash F. A dash B dash F are similar. Okay, if both are similar, same process, what you will write here? A dash B dash by En. Yes, A dash B dash by En. You will write here. Okay, very good. But here will be A dash F divided by, in this triangle, what you will write here? NF. Can we write here? Okay, NF. Since you know that's En, this En equal to AB, and another, what you will write at the place of A dash F, you can write here A dash F equal to, what you will write? A dash F. This you can write PF, or equivalent here you can write PF minus PA dash. Okay, can we write? Okay, very good. And another NF equivalent PF. So put this value. Therefore, you will write here A dash B dash, but at the place of En you will write here AB equal to A dash F. You have value PF minus PA dash divided by PF. You can put, this is the equation first. Can we write here? Okay, very good. If we have and similar process, next we can see that, okay, which one you will take? A, B, P, and another, which one you will take here? A dash B dash P. Same things you will take now. Okay, so you can write here. Now similarly, from triangles you can take which one? A, B, P, and ABP and A dash B dash P. A dash B dash P. Okay. What you will write here? In both triangles, same process you will write here. First you will write here A dash B dash. Yes, A dash B dash by AB. Okay. A dash B dash by AB equal to this height distance you will take. What you will take the distance? Okay. Here you will P A dash by PA. P A dash by PA. Okay. Now you can put this is equation second. Okay. You see that there are two equations. Equation first and equation second. Okay. And in both equation you can see that the LHS part is equals. If the LHS part is equal, so as usual from right sides both the equation will equals. So you can write here, what you will write here? You will write here P A dash by PA equal to this PF minus PA dash divided by PF. Can we write? Okay, very good. But if you will write here, you can see that we can also apply the sign convention. Okay, if you will apply the sign conventions, you know that the distance measured against the ray of light is taken as negative and towards the light is taken as positive. So you will see that this object, because ray of light is going this side, but you will measure from this pole, so it will be negative. Okay, applying sign convention. Sign convention you will take here. What you will write? P A equal to minus U. Next P A dash equal to minus V and PF equal to minus F. This value, okay, we can put here. Therefore, you will write here minus U by minus U PA value. But both will see here PA dash here will be plus F and PF equal to that will also positive. Okay, so we can put this value. Then what you will write here? Minus U by V. Okay, equal to no here put here. This is the equations. Okay, in this equation what you will put at the place of PA dash equal to V. Okay, at the place of PA, this is the PA equal to minus U. Okay, equal to PF, that is the F, minus PA dash that is a V here. This is PA dash V divided by PF you have F. You can cross multiply. So you will write here VF equal to minus UF. Okay, and minus here will be plus UV. Okay, now again you will divide by UVF on both sides. Then what you will get? Now dividing by UVF on both side. So you can write here VF equal to minus UV by UVF. Here will also UVF plus UV equal to UVF. Some term will cancel out. Which you will cancel out here? You can cancel out VF and VF. UV and UV will also cancel out. Okay, and here is UV and UV. No. What you will write here? VF 1 by here will be UV F and F. Again here same process we are getting. Okay, see we have final equations. What is the final equations that we got? Okay, multiplying by cross multiplying UV, these ones. See students, one more. cross multiply this, what you will write here? If you will cross multiply, then here will be VF equal to, here will be minus UF and minus here will be plus UV. Okay, by dividing UVF on both side, what you will write? VF by UVF equal to minus UF, here will be UVF, plus UV, here will be UVF. So here will cancel out, VF and VF cancel out, here will be UF and UF cancel out, and this will be cancelled out. So we have 1 by U equal to minus 1 by V plus 1 by F. You can exchange this one left side, so here will be 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F, or you can write or 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This we can write. Okay, so this is the equation, students. I think that okay, you can write this. Okay, we got the final equations 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F by using convex spherical mirror. Is it clear? So both of this equation is correct, and very important